fish that's learned to fly. And I've always been a daughter, but feathers are meant for the sky. And so I'm wishing further for the excitement.
Dum dum dee dum, dum dee dum, dum dum dim dum dum, dum dum dum.